Okay. Hello, everyone. Guys, let's look at this exit ticket. All right. I think it's easier than you think. I know they give you the table here, but let's just draw the lines, use the graph. All right. I printed this out and I drew the lines in red. And you can always just follow down. You see that it crosses the y-axis somewhere between 10 and 20, kind of closer to 10. Just look at all the possibilities. It's multiple choice. It's got to be this 11 right here. 11.93. It's not any of these others. It's got to be that one. All right. Here's the next one. Here's our line. It's going up high. It's above 700 here. Above 700, the only one above 700 is right there. All right. 797. Again, just use multiple choice. Eliminate the ones. Oops. I skipped those two. Y'all, this is actually number 3, okay, in the exit ticket. I'm going to wait a minute for it to get in there. All right, here's the line drawn. It's coming down here. Looks like it's below 0.1. Less than 0.1. All right, take a look here. Less than, it's got to be 0.08. And it is. All right. It's less than point. I thought if it was 0.4, but that would be up here. That would be up here. It's not there. It's down here. Okay. This is number 4. I drew the line. Came up here 800, a little higher than 800. Okay. That's got to be 813. It's a little higher than 800. It's not any of these others. 700. No, it's higher. It's got to be this one right there. Okay. All right, this is number 5. I kind of messed this one up at first. I was playing with this one because I wanted to make sure I had it right. All right, this comes way down here. Less than 2,000. Less than 2,000. Not above, less than 2,000. It's 1837, okay? What I did, though, I made 2 big points just to kind of roughly get an idea of the slope. So the bottom went from 20 to 70. You see right here? 20 to 70. So I subtracted them. It's a difference of 50. Then I went up and down right here. Okay, this is 3,000. This is 7,000. So I put that up here, difference of 4,000. Roughly, we're looking at a slope of roughly 80. And that makes sense. It's 78. Okay? I just wanted to see roughly where we were at there. All right, this is number 6. Here's our line drawn. It goes way up here. 5,000, 6,000. It's around 7,000. See, it's not 94,000. It's not 4,000. It'd be down here. All right, it's not 25,000. That would be way, way, way up here. It's got to be this one. Right? Last 2. And here's our line. I'm going to go up here. 4, 5. It's above 5, but less than 6. It's above 5. It's right there. 5.1. Right, again, it's not 10. 10 would be way, way, way up here. It's not 9,000. This is 9,000. It's not 9,000. Okay, and it's not 3.4. 3.4 is like right here. It's not going through there, okay? It's above 5. Use the process of elimination. All right, last one. This is around 300. Around 300 or so. This is 261. That's probably what it is. Let me just look here. It's certainly not negative 29,000. That's way down here. 55. No, 55 would be like right down here. 700 is up here. 760 is up there. It's got to be this one. All right, guys, that's it. If you need some help, just email me, okay? Look at you guys are doing great. All we have left is the quiz. It's just based on the last things we did. Graphing lines and scatter plots. Okay?